Hello gang, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. I am still in Yorkshire, if you've seen any of my other ones. It's the evening, the sun is going down over the mountains over there, or the hills, whatever the definition is, there we go. And I'm heading up Malham Cove. You may have seen another video, I'll put a link wherever, or down below, or I do a little walk around here. But tonight we've been out for the day, so I just thought I'd come up and try and do a little bit of a summit camp just behind Malham Cove. I think the sunset will disappear behind the hills here before I get one, but hopefully I might get some sunrise in the morning. So a little bit of a short one. Yeah, come along and let's see what we see. So for those that don't know, Malham Cove is like a cliff face in the limestone cliffs, and apparently it was in the Ice Age when the ice melted and receded. All the meltwater came down and formed the cliffs and eroded the what do you call it? I can't even talk now. Come on, geologists, help me out. So yeah, sorry, mumbling about geology, which I know nothing about, but anyway, so that's why Malham Cove exists. But at the top there's limestone paving, so it's where the softer rock has eroded and leaves, imagine crazy paving without the cement between it. That's what's at the top, so we'll see that when we get up there, won't we? There's always one, isn't there? Come on, mate. I get past. Yeah? Come on, off you go. Off you go. That's it. That's the way. How glamorous it is, look. Good thing I pack off every time, but upset me forever. Little gates there. I've got a, you can't really see, can you? A sleep mat on the bottom there. It's too wide. I need a wide load sticker on my hands. Alright, mate. Cheers. It's going through now. You stay there. Keep it all calm. And you. Looking good. Oh, Jesus Christ. Quick. They seem alright, don't you, girls? Thankfully more scared of me than I'm of you. Hello everyone. If you can see behind me, just down here, along there, can you see that? Oh, where's my finger? There you go, just along there, that's the normal path that people use to go in. But this one is just the other side of the river. So I just thought I'd come in this way really, and then go back out that side tomorrow. Just, I suppose there's a million videos of Malham Cove. Just thought I'd show you the slightly different version. There's the other path over there. I'm going to go down and meet it. And there's the cove. And I think if I zoom in, there's some people still up there rock climbing. How good this camera will be. See them there in the middle? Get my finger in the lens just there. Bottom of the cove. There's a river that comes in the bottom of there somewhere apparently. And this is the path to there. Right. Okay. Anyway. A few rock climbers up there still, aren't there? Let me go. Right. So find our way up there somehow. You can just see where the river comes in there. Here we go. Look at that. Golden hour sunlight off the cove there. Made it. Not that it's Everest or anything, but when and you've got some ridiculously heavy pack on your back. I'm quite proud of myself considering I'm a fit chap. There we go, one limestone pavement, and the sun is just beginning to set behind, well it's not beginning to set, it's another hour, but it's going to just be behind that peak anyway. So, no sunset, never mind. It's still very peaceful up here, there's no one up here now, lovely. Ooh, nearly concentrating on the video more than... There you go. There we go. Hope you enjoyed that. Little flight over Malham and the pavements. Going to find myself a little camp spot now. Camp spot now. It's easy for me to say. So I'm going to head up here somewhere, so I can look over the cove. I say the sun's gone behind that cloud now. It just peeped out a little while ago. But no sunset anyway, because it's going to disappear behind that hill anyway. Unless you never know, when I get up there I might see something. But there'll be a sunset, or sunrise, sorry. I'll be facing the right way for a sunrise over here in the morning. So that'd be nice. Right, go and find myself somewhere to put my head for the night. Nice flat spot here. I think this will do. Right, let's get set up. Bosh. Time for dinner. Right then, dinner time. Adventure Foods mince beef hot pot. And if I'm a good boy, a little syrup sponge and a little custard. Sponsored by Ambrosia. Not really. A little gas can. Little stand. You know the deal. don't know if you've seen these things. Well, I quite like these for camping. Little lantern, little candle lantern. The reason I like it is it's alright having a head torch, but it kind of like ruins the sort of atmosphere, I think, really. And this is quite a nice little thing to have, really. Give it a lit. Burning my fingers. There we go. So when you turn off your head torch and stuff, it's just quite nice in the evening. A little bit of light. There we go. That stops it. There's a bit of company, I think. I'll turn my head torch off now. Ooh. There we go. I don't know how much you can see of me there, but I've got my little red light on in the tent there, and a little candle light. It's just nice. And it's, when you're supposed to wild camping as well, it's a bit more subtle than having a great big flipping torch on your head. So I like it anyway. Ooh, scary. So recommended. Just quite a nice thing to have. Right, on with me, didn't it? Right, that's it, folks. I've had some dinner. I've had a beer, and I am ready for some sleep, I think. So I shall bid thee a good night. See you tomorrow. Morning, campers. Set my alarm to see the sunrise, as there wasn't a sunset really last night. Got a coffee in as well. Only way to get me up this early. Anyway, get yourself over there. Morning, sheep friends. So there we go. Sunrise for you. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And I realised when I was watching the clouds over there, after the sun came up, I was looking in the wrong direction in some respects, because if you look at the sort of like very little hills here, as the sun was coming up, each one was being lit, golden light, ever so gently, just turning on, a bit like a street turning their Christmas lights on slowly and slowly and slowly. But if I turn around and try and video that now, I think it's all happened anyway. I'll try, I'll give it a go. But yeah, just absolutely beautiful. I'm not a morning person, but it's so worth it. Get out there. Get out there, guys. Right. Breakfast done. Glorious sunset. Sunrise done, because it's a bit cloudy now. I was a little bit over there. A few people up this morning, nutters, running and whatnot, but it's quieting down now. I guess they're the pre-breakfasters, so place to myself still, but all packed up and heading off now. No trace left, as usual. Where are we? Yeah. Bit of flat grass. So head back down now via the normal track. Much easier there, going down those steps and going up. And slightly lighter pack as well. A couple of beers and some food. Drink more water. That's good. Still no one around though. So I've got a place to myself. Just come down from the limestone paving thing there, but yeah, no one around. Look, if I show you here, there's no one on the path yet at all. It's about 8:30, 9 o'clock. on a bank holiday Friday, so it's Easter Friday. Yeah, so it goes to show you, if you like a bit of solace, want to appreciate these things, it's worth the effort really, I think. Definitely worth the effort. Been beautiful. Right, anyway, I'm sure you don't want to see, I'll put some film up of going back down anyway, along the path, a few little clips. But I'll sign off from here, because I'm sure you don't want to see too much of that. So, thank you if you've watched to the end. Really, really appreciate it. Usual ask, like, subscribe, diddly diddly diddly. I'm new to this shenanigans, and it would really help the channel out, and encourage me to do some more. Because obviously if no one likes it, then, you know, or if you don't like it, rather than dislike it, put a comment down below and say what you think I could do better. I say, I'm new to all this. So anyway, stop Jimmy waffling on. Thanks very much, guys. Appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. Till a bit.